writing an equation to represent a real-world problem, variable on both sides. Scott and Charmaine each opened a savings account today. Scott opened his account with a starting amount of $710, and he is going to take out $45 per month. Charmaine opened her account with a starting amount of $850, and she is going to take out $65 per month. Let X be the number of months. Okay, so there they defined the variable for us after today. For each account, write an expression. So what I'm going to do here first is not make a full equation, but just write an expression to represent Scott's account and then another expression to represent Charmaine's account. So if I look up here for Scott, it says he started with $710 and he's going to take out $45 per month. That's my X, right? The variable right there. So the expression to represent Scott's account is start at 710 and take out or subtract $45 every month. We're using X to represent the months, remember. Then Charmaine's account is starting at 850. So we're going to write her expression is 850, and she takes out 65 per month. Okay, so we subtract $65 per month. That's our X right there. Now, part B, it says write an equation to show that the two accounts have the same amount of money. So I want to know, when do these two accounts equal each other? So I'm just going to now link them together with an equals. And that's my equation.